Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to add a free shipping progress bar on the product page on your Shopify store without using applications and completely free and in less than 5 minutes? That's exactly what I'm about to show you. So let's just get to it. As you can see, this is the progress bar right here and it's dynamic. I am $10 away from the free shipping. If I click on the cart and remove the product in the cart, it will be updated dynamically and say, hey, you are $50 away now. If I added the cart, of course, it will be updated dynamic. So how to add this and how to adjust the threshold, how many dollars away from the free shipping, and how to create the automatic free shipping discount. Very easy, and I'm about to show you that. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. And if you are already in Shopify dashboard, click on sales channel and click on online store so we can access the team to customizer, team customizer. Then click on the three dots beside edit team and make sure you duplicate the team. So do this on the duplicated team. If you like the changes, happy for you. If you don't, you still have the previous version intact. After that, click on edit team for the duplicated team, of course. Now on the home page, at the top of the page, click on it and click on products and access the default template you are using. Now on the left of the page right here where you see template, below it you should see a section called product information or product section or something like that. Click on the arrow to be expanded. Now scroll all the way down and below the buy it now or below the product description where you want to add it. I prefer below the buy it now. So I'm going to add it in here. Click on the plus button where you want to add it, then search for custom and you should see custom liquid. Click on it. And in here, you should paste some code here. Where you're gonna get that code from me. Scroll down the description box and click on the link. It will open up this page right here. Then click on this button right here to copy the code. But before you do that, let me show you. So you see this 50 right here. This is exactly the amount. So 50 stands for $50. If you wanna do the threshold of 100, just simply change this one to 100. As you can see, now I'm going to keep it as 50. So I'm going to copy the code and get back in here and paste it in the custom liquid block. Then I'm going to click on save. Now it's already here and it's working just fine. However, how to add the discount? That's very easy. Exit from the team editor, access discount menu. And after that, simply create a discount and click on free shipping option. And now when it says discount code, click on automatic discount and give it a name, free shipping. And all these settings are preferences based on what you want to do. And below this option is minimum purchase requirements. And this is where you enable this option and simply type in the threshold you added on the code. For me, it's 50. So I'm going to type in here 50. Now click on save and you're done. Everyone who purchases the value of over $50 will have free discount. And that's how you add a free shipping progress bar on the product page without using any applications and completely free. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.